Good morning, YouTube. It is 8:36, sorry about that, on September 23rd. And look what I see. Hopefully you can read this. Important notification. Welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. Congratulations, you've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. You can now monetize your channel and contact support. Guys, I am so stoked, obviously. Thanks everybody for subscribing, for giving my videos thumbs up, for watching. I am gonna show you how fast I was able to get monetized. I know a lot of people might say this, but there is definitely a trick. So you definitely wanna stick around. If you wanna watch my videos on where I got like past the 1,000 hours, it'll be up here. I'm gonna make a long detailed video of everything. If you're curious about the whole process of how long it takes to get monetized, what are the steps, all that stuff. So this is really what you want to see. And it says right here, new place for information. Yeah, sorry, new place for your important notifications. Here you'll find important notifications. I know I'm just, on my iPhone recording this, but I just want to show you. So when I hit monetization, oh yeah, let's check email real quick. This is cool. Okay, so there it is too. Look, my email, they send you the same thing. Congratulations, your YouTube channel, Meet Brandon, has been accepted in the YouTube Partner Programs, now able to monetize on YouTube. This is awesome, guys. That means you can start clicking on your videos and saying, yes, I'd like to add revenue to my videos. So I've never done this before, so I'm literally recording it. But there's a trick, guys. So watch. I'm going back to the channel. You want to go over to monetize. Don't miss this. This is important. Go down to, there it is, monetization. See it? Under copyright, click monetization. Oh, there we go. So we are now able to be monetized. So that third step that's down like here and it says in progress, you can speed it up, and I'm going to show you how to do that in another video. And guys, trust me, you want to do it because it tells you can do it within 1 month. Like you can be approved in 1 month, and I'm telling you guys, I got approved in under 72 hours. So there is definitely a trick. I only saw one YouTube video that helped teach me how to do it, and I want to give her mad props. But I'm gonna make a video, and it's gonna be up here and at the end of the video for you guys to click and watch if you want to know how to not wait the month. Guys, I'm telling you, you want to do that because you get so excited. You hit the 1,000 hours, you've got the 4,000 watch hours, and you want to start getting paid. And then you're in this waiting period, and apparently for some people it's over a month. So for me, I figured it'd be a week or something like that, but then I saw this YouTube video, I followed what she did, and guys, I sent an email last night at around the same time, 8 p.m., and let's check that email at, let's see what time it says, 5:36, I saw it somewhere. At 5:30 a.m., they approved me. There it is, 5:36. Sorry about there you go. So think of this, I mean, it's not crazy like you're gonna make tons of money the first 3 hours, but if you got a lot of videos that are getting traction, sorry about the view, there you go. It's 3 hours of monetization you could have had on your thing. Anyway, I just woke up, so it's not a big deal, but I'm just telling you guys, don't waste time. Get your videos going and start making money on YouTube, because YouTube wants to make money too. So hopefully you like these videos. Hopefully they're informative. Hit thumbs up, hit subscribe if you like these videos, and definitely click the video that's gonna be down here or up here on the whole process and how I was able to get monetized in 3 days instead of a month. So thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned.